said to her, my dear, I write a love song. I couldn't make the words come from my mouth, so I left her in the morning with my clothes on, anticipating winter heading south. Now words flowing out of me like water, they're sifting through the thoughts ever so clear. So come sit down with me, my love, you oughta listen, for I've got a lot to hear. I left her in the morning sun, I left her in July, I left her with my raincoat on, with nothing on my mind. Waiting for someone to come and get you, you're waiting for a prisoner in disguise. You tell me that you want them to forget you, but nothing gets forgotten in these times. So smoke the cigarettes, don't taste no good now, and drink until you're feeling nice and warm. Just run from all the fears that you locked down, nothing's worse than leaving in the morning. I left her in the morning sun, I left her in July, I left her with my raincoat on, and nothing on my mind. And now the suitcase that I took with me was rusted to the bone, running out of books to